How to put restrictions on Safari on iPhone. So in order to do this, we need to make use of the feature called screen time. So go ahead and open the settings application on your device. In here, scroll down and tap on the word screen time. Once you're in this page, click on content and privacy restrictions. Toggle the switch next to content and privacy restrictions to enable it. Once you're here, select content restrictions. Once you are here, select content restrictions. Under the web content section, tap on limit adult websites. Now you can choose between unrestricted access and limit adult websites. If you want to further restrict access, you can tap on allowed websites only and select the sites that is only allowed to be opened on your Safari. So just select the option that suits your needs. So that is how to put restrictions on Safari on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.